The last option here in the Facebook ads area is the graph search helper. Here you see you can select a domain, a phrase. You can select here the period, today, yesterday, and so on, a result type, post, live, get post, photo, video, share, and see. Here, for example, you want the spring.com golf, and here you see all the posts and ads related to your post. Here, for example, spring.com, you see here golf. Okay, so you find all these advertising on third-party pages that can be useful for you. So you go to popular websites where people are selling something. You can see here these ads. For example, allow pulse post. So you get this is related to your area, golf. Okay, you pay attention, of course, that this is really golf. Okay, and then you can get inspired for your ads. So just go here, domain, phrase, and select the period when was this done, and the result type, all or live or get post, photos, videos, and share, and you click on let's go. It's an amazing way to retrieve other ads from other third parties, and you can get inspired to do your ads on Facebook.